Dimples. They're cute on our faces, but not nearly as appealing when they appear on our thighs, buttocks, hips, upper arms, or abdomen. Dimpling in those areas is known as cellulite, a word many of us, especially women, are painfully familiar with. Cellulite is a combination of displaced fat and toxins that become trapped between connective tissue in the dermal layer of skin and the skin surface. As the tissue hardens, it gives the skin a bumpy texture that many people refer to as cottage cheese or orange peel. Cellulite is distinctively unattractive and notoriously hard to get rid of, until now. Thousands of women are rediscovering their swimsuits and short shorts with recently developed techniques that are providing visible results in reducing or completely eliminating cellulite. One of them utilizes a combination of radiofrequency waves, laser therapy, and mechanical massage. Another popular procedure uses customized blends of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and medications, which are micro-injected just beneath the surface of the skin. A third technique utilizes a special machine that administers a deep massage to areas affected by cellulite. Using a combination of rollers and gentle vacuuming, it's designed to loosen trapped and compressed fat and increase blood circulation. Used alone or in combination, these treatments may help reduce or eliminate the appearance of cellulite with no anesthesia and no downtime. From now on, the only place you need to see cottage cheese is in your refrigerator. Ask your clinician how cellulite treatments may be able to smooth, tone, and restore your problem areas. The road to life can be bumpy, but a smoother you is right around the corner.